So hey guys, today I'm just quick review about Exipure, that what is Exipure and how Exipure works, what are the benefits you will get to use this product, and how Exipure helps to lose your weight easily. So let's stay connect with me at the end. So if you are in a hurry to buy this product, I have mentioned the direct official page of Exipure link in the description box, so you can check it out. So let's quickly jump on to the review. So Exipure is a beneficial weight loss support supplement. Many doctors and healthcare experts have worked together to bring this weight loss supplement to the market. If your body has a low amount of brown adipose tissue, you will potentially gain weight. So Exipure will work directly on increasing the number of bad tissues so that you lose weight easier and faster. The creators of Exipure believe that the major cause of unhealthy weight and obesity is the low level of fat. So Exipure sustains a healthy level of fat. It results in burning fat and making your weight loss journey easier. Exipure makers claim that it can also make you smarter and look younger than you do when the 8 ingredients of Exipure work together. They make everything about your body better. Increasing brown fat levels in your body can be possible with the Exipure. Exipure uses 100% all natural ingredients. They uses plant-based ingredients, non-addictive formula with zero stimulant, scientifically backed clean ingredients they have used, and available in easy to swallow capsules. So that's a very easy to use product. So if we come on to the official website of Exipure, so here we can see that Exipure is a good manufacturer and GMP certified, and it's made in FDA, and it is 100% natural. It is manufactured in the USA, and it is 100% natural and GMO free. So as you can see the certification of the Exipure. And if we talk about ingredients, that what type of ingredients has used to produce this product, so inside every Exipure capsule you will find 8 clinically proven ingredients that increase calorie burning brown adipose tissue, which is called fat. So the first ingredient is perilla, then the second is kudzu. Kudzu will boost your fat. This ingredient high in antioxidant and it will relieve pains and itches. And the third ingredient is holy basil. Fourth is white Korean ginseng. Fifth is amur cork bark. Sixth ingredient is propolis. Seventh ingredient is quercetin, and eighth ingredient is oleuropein. So these are the 8 ingredients which you will find in this product, and this ingredient is 100% natural and effective. So if we come down below here, we can see that this is 100% natural formula which I have already told you. This product has been made with plant ingredients. This is non-GMO and it is easy to swallow and no stimulants and non-habit forming. So if we come below here, you can see if you order 6 bottles of the Exipure or 3 bottles of the Exipure, so you will get also 2 free premium bonuses. So as you can see, the first bonus is Kickstart Dtox, which is a $59 worth book where you will read, detox, cleanse and flush your organs to add absorptions and kickstart your Exipure journey with 20 bizarre 15-second detox tea recipe. In this book, you will learn the detox tea recipe where you can use everyday ingredients from your kitchen. Then the second bonus is Renew You. With your brand new fast-track body comes a new mindset. Discover simple methods you can do right now to instantly relieve stress and calm your mind, boost confidence and reduce anxiety. So these are the 2 bonuses which you will get free of cost for purchasing 3 minimum bottles. So here you can see some testimonials. This consumers has been already used Exipure pills and they have shows their results. As you can see, Lauren is 35 pounds lighter so far. So as you can see, I never said to leave the house worried about not fitting into chairs or public transport. Now after trying Exipure, I am down 35 pounds. I feel and look amazing. My energy levels are through the roof and I regularly use the bus and try on slim clothes and shop in the mall stress-free. And thank you so much for Exipure. So here you can see some testimonials. This is a lot of testimonials you can also read by yourself. If we talk about the pricing of the Exipure, so if you purchase 1 bottle of the Exipure, so it will cost you $59 per bottle, and if you purchase 3 bottles of the Exipure, it will cost you $49 per bottle with 2 free bonuses, but you have to pay shipping charges. But if you purchase 6 bottles Exipure, then it will cost $39 per bottle, which is very best offer for you, because in this offer you save your lot of money, and also you don't need to pay your shipping charges. And this is a 180-day supply, so these 6 bottles will cover your half year. So that's a very wonderful offer for you. And Exipure also gives you 100% satisfaction and 180 days money back guarantee. If you are not satisfied that how to fast your deep stubborn fat stores melt and away into pure energy, or shocked as you admire your new toned slim body in the mirror, then at any time in the next 180 days let us know, and we will refund every single penny of your investment, and they will never ask you a single question. So that's the very amazing product and very risk-free product for you. I have shown you all the details of the Exipure, and I hope you have got full information about this product. So in order to purchase this product, I have mentioned the direct link in the description box. You can check it out so that you don't need to worry about go there anywhere. I have pasted the official website link in the description box, so you can check it out. So yeah, that's all about the Exipure review. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for